Hello friends, welcome to eKida. Title of the lecture is Corona and Bundle Conductor Line. We already know that higher voltage level, usually above 345 kV, require bundle conductor. So bundle conductors have a large number of benefits associated with them. Two of them are reduced line inductive reactance and more power carriage per unit mass. So let us understand how bundle conductor impact the corona. See, what is corona? Corona is a phenomenon of hissing noise followed by a violet glow and formation of ozone gas in overhead transmission line. And formation of ozone gas in overhead transmission line is known as corona. This is known as corona. So the process of corona occurs when voltage level exceed a certain value. When voltage level exceeds a certain value, and this is known as critical voltage. So ordinary conductors involve a single conductor phase, but the bundle conductor involves two phase, three phase or four number of conductor per phase. 2, 3 or 4 number of conductors per phase. So doing so increase the corona critical voltage and thus corona loss are reduced. Doing so increase the corona critical voltage and thus the corona losses are reduced. So that's why bundle conductor reduce the corona impact on electrical power lines. See, for transmission of more power for long distance to load center, extra high voltage transmission line is employed. So implementing extra high voltage has advantage of reduction in the copper losses and improve efficiency. However, transmission of voltage beyond 345 will possess some problem. kV will possess some problem such as corona effect, which causes the significant power loss, with communication circuits, interference with communication circuits, if round single conductor per phase is used. If round single conductor per phase is used. So in order to reduce corona effect, hollow conductors are used. In order to reduce corona effect, hollow round conductors are used. So keeping economical constraint, other option is instead of using hollow round conductor, it is preferable to use more than one conductor per phase, which is called bundle conductors. So for transmission line of power beyond 345 kV, bundle conductors are employed. Bundle conductors are primarily employ bundle conductors are primarily applied to reduce the corona losses and radio interference and radio interference. So, however, they have several advantages. First advantage, bundle conductor per phase reduces the voltage gradient in the vicinity of the line. So, it reduces the possibility of corona discharge. It reduces the possibility of corona discharge. So corona effect will be observed when the air medium present between the phases charged up and start to ionize and act as a conducting medium. So this is avoided by employing bundle conductors. Second advantage, improvement in the transmission line efficiency. Line efficiency as loss due to corona effect is encountered. Next is the next advantage. Bundle conductor lines have higher capacitance. Bundle conductor lines have higher capacitance to neutral in comparison with single line. In comparison with single lines. Thus, they will have higher charging current, which helps in improving the power factor. They will have higher charging currents, which help in improving the power factor. Next thing, bundle conductor lines will have higher capacitance and low inductance than ordinary lines. Bundle conductors line will have higher capacitance and lower inductance than ordinary lines. So they will have higher surge impedance loading. Higher surge impedance loading. We know Z is equals to under root L by C. And higher surge impedance loading will have higher maximum power transfer ability. Next advantage, with the increase in self GMD and GMR, inductance per phase will be reduced. Compared to single conductor line. Compared to single conductor line. So this result in lesser reactance per phase compared to the ordinary single line. and hence lesser loss due to the reactance drop. So these are the several advantages of bundle conductor. Thank you.